Hi, I'm Courtney. Welcome to my home. Come on in. Hi there, I am Courtney Krick. I am a content creator. I go under the name of PNW Refurbished on social media. I focus mainly on DIY, thrifting, and furniture flips. I ultimately started my social media career back in 2021 when my husband started his master's program. So when he started his master's program, I had a lot of free time on my hands and I was trying to find ways to fill it and also be productive. All right, so this is my entryway. We love this home because it just has this grand opening as soon as you drive in. And we love the two gigantic windows in front of our house. And when we first moved in, the previous owners didn't have any window treatments on them. And so I felt like they just deserved more regal window treatments. And so we went with the velvet curtains just to kind of finish off the look in this room. And this is our living room. This is the main room of the house. We really loved this space, not just because there are tall ceilings, but all of the architectural features. The millwork in this house is just phenomenal. And we really love the dark, moody spaces, which is why we ended up going with the Liz curtains in black. We loved the texture because of the light that shines through them. And I've done so many projects in here already. I have actually painted my brick fireplace. That was white before, and we really thought the black would just make it really pop. A lot of this furniture is all thrifted. I shopped secondhand and bought all this myself. My coffee table I even refinished. It was pink before, and I decided to strip it all down and stain it black, and just kind of gives this room a really nice, regal and cozy feeling. So when we first moved in, pretty much none of the rooms had window treatments. And I really love the view of the outdoors. It's so beautiful, but at the same time, during the evening, the lights can get really harsh in here. The sun likes to set over here in the west, and so the light can blare in through certain windows. So we really needed some treatments in here that would kind of dim that, but also still show off all of the natural lighting that we do get in this house. So we decided that we wanted some curtains that were a little bit taller than the windows and the doors, and again, something that's textured that would really shine through when the sun does come out and play with us in Washington. And this is our dining space and our formal living room. We really love this room because of all the natural lighting that we do get. But again, none of these windows had any treatments at all. And we really wanted something in here to add a little bit more texture, but also to block out the light when the sun sets down in the west, because it can really get a little intense even though we have a wall of trees back there. So we decided to add some natural linen drapes, which added the soft touch we were looking for. We went with 2Pages because of the quality and variety they offer. Specifically for this room, we chose the Jawara linen cotton curtains in the color walnut to give the room that soft look we desired, which really highlighted the windows and the outdoor beauty just beyond them. This room is really when we have special family dinners, but we have a lot of family, and so we love to extend our table and fit as many chairs as possible. And this table is thrifted. I bought it from a gal who sold secondhand furniture, and I really loved this style because it is from the 60s. And so this was a very popular set, and I hope to refinish it and just kind of make it really pop when I get around to it. But we loved all of, again, the millwork, the crown molding in this space, the wainscoting on the side of the walls is just gorgeous. And this is the formal living room. Again, this isn't the main room of the house, but we do spend a lot of time here, especially when we have a lot of family here. It's really nice because if there's too many people in the living room, this is kind of an overflow for everyone else. Everybody can really feel like they're connecting with other people and not having multiple conversations toppling over each other. We do have a TV in here and a fireplace, so if we're feeling like a family movie night, we like to come in here and kind of cozy up with the natural fireplace, or if we're looking for a game of chess or checkers with my son. But this is really one of my favorite features of the house because you can see the entire backyard from here. My mother has always been very into design. I see her as an idol. I would try to style my home like hers, and it just didn't feel like me. And as I've continued to refinish furniture for myself and thrift, buying secondhand, I've really just found my peace and joy. But again, just really feeling cozy in my home is what's most important to me. So I aim to really make someone feel comfortable and invited when they come into my home. And with little ones, it can be really hard to see past all of the chaos, but with the addition of textures and organic materials in this home and an own touch of my DIY projects, I really truly feel that can be seen.